What if I told you the secret to financial freedom isn't a hidden stock tip or a lottery win? What if I told you the key to building wealth is the same key that builds muscle, endurance, and strength? It's forged in sweat. It's earned in the early morning hours when the world is still asleep. It's found in the quiet, unwavering power of discipline. Look at the world of fitness. We admire the athlete, the marathon runner, the person who has sculpted their body through sheer force of will. But what we're really admiring is their discipline. It's the same discipline that can transform your bank account from a source of stress into a symbol of freedom. The burn in your muscles during the final rep of a heavy lift, that's the same feeling as resisting an impulse purchase you know you don't need. The mental battle to run one more mile, that's the same grit required to put money into your savings account, even when you'd rather spend it. Financial and physical fitness are not just parallel paths, they are two lanes on the same highway, paved with the exact same material: consistency. The stress from financial instability can sabotage your health, while the clarity gained from physical discipline fuels smarter financial decisions. We've been sold a lie, the lie of motivation. We wait for a lightning bolt of inspiration to strike before we go to the gym, start a diet, or fix our finances. We scroll through motivational quotes, watch inspiring videos, and wait to taking action. But motivation is a fickle friend. It's a spark, not a fire. It's a gust of wind that might push you forward for a moment, but it will inevitably die down, leaving you stranded. Relying on motivation to achieve your goals is like trying to cross the ocean on a raft with no paddle, hoping the wind will always be at your back. It won't. Discipline, on the other hand, is the engine. It's the paddle. It's the relentless, quiet force that shows up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. It is an internal commitment, not an external feeling. The successful athlete doesn't go to the gym only on the days they feel strong and energetic. They go on the days they are tired, sore, and uninspired. They go because it's Tuesday. They go because it's on the schedule. They go because they have built a system that overrides their fleeting feelings. This is the single greatest mindset shift you can make for your finances. Stop waiting to saving. Stop waiting for a burst of motivation to create a budget. Instead, build a system. A system doesn't care about your mood. A system doesn't get tired. A system executes day in and day out, removing the single biggest obstacle to your success: you. Every day, we face hundreds of small decisions. Should I buy this coffee? Should I order takeout? Should I skip my workout? This is called decision fatigue, and it's why, by the end of the day, our willpower is depleted and we make poor choices. Our brains, seeking the path of least resistance, default to impulse over intention. A system eliminates decision fatigue. You make the hard decision once. The decision to save 15% of your income, the decision to work out 3 times a week, and the system handles the rest. The choice is already made. All you have to do is follow through. Now, let's talk about how to build that system. In the gym, you don't start by trying to bench press 300 pounds. You start with the bar. You focus on form. You build a foundation through small, consistent repetitions. The same principle, known as progressive overload, is the key to financial strength. We're not talking about finding an extra $1,000 a month overnight. We're talking about tiny, consistent financial reps. What does a financial rep look like? It's making your coffee at home instead of buying it, just 1 extra day a week. That's a rep. It's using a Roundup app to automatically invest your spare change from every purchase. That's a rep. It's setting up an automatic transfer of just $20 from your checking to your savings account every Friday. That's a rep. It's taking 10 minutes to unsubscribe from a streaming service you haven't used in months. That's a rep. Each of these actions, in isolation, seems insignificant, laughable even. What difference can $2 in spare change really make? But you are missing the point. A single drop of water cannot carve a canyon, but a river, over time, can change the face of the earth. Each tiny act of financial discipline is a drop of water. When you perform these reps consistently, you are no longer just saving pennies. You are building a habit. You are carving a new neurological pathway in your brain. You are forging a new identity. You are becoming a person who saves, a person who invests, a person who is in control. And just like in the gym, once those reps become easy, you add more weight. That $20 weekly transfer becomes $30, then $50. You are building your financial muscle. The compounding effect of these small, consistent actions over years is the most powerful force in the universe. It's the magic that turns disciplined savers into millionaires. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting wealthy. This isn't a lottery ticket. It's an orchard you plant one tree at a time. Your wealth, like your strength, is not a matter of luck. It is a direct, mathematical result of your daily reps. The ultimate expression of discipline is automation. This is where you truly put your systems to work for you, making success the default setting. The most disciplined people aren't those with the most willpower. They are the ones who have designed their environment so that willpower is barely needed. They automate good decisions. In fitness, this looks like laying out your gym clothes the night before. It removes a point of friction. It's one less excuse you can make in the morning. It's meal prepping on a Sunday, so that healthy food is the easiest option during a busy week. You've automated your nutrition. In finance, automation is your superpower. The single most important financial action you can ever take is to automate the principle of pay yourself first. Before you pay your rent, your bills, or buy your groceries, you pay your future self. You set up an automatic recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts for the day you get paid. This money is gone before you have a chance to miss it or spend it. It's non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone of your entire financial structure. This one automated act does more for your financial future than 1,000 hours of worrying about money. But don't stop there. Automate everything. Set up automatic bill pay for all your recurring expenses to avoid late fees and stress. Use apps that automatically round up your purchases and invest the difference. Set a recurring calendar reminder for the first of every quarter to do a subscription audit. A 15-minute check-in to cancel anything you're not using. You are automating the process of review and optimization. You are building a fortress of good habits, where the right choice becomes the path of least resistance. This is the profound connection between the gym and your bank account. The sweat on your brow and the dollars in your portfolio are born from the exact same source. The disciplined pursuit of delayed gratification. It's about choosing the hard right over the easy wrong. It's about choosing the person you want to become tomorrow over the fleeting desires you feel today. It's about understanding that true freedom isn't the ability to buy whatever you want, whenever you want. True freedom is having the choice. It's owning your time. It's the power to say no to a job that drains you and yes, to being present with your family without being trapped by financial necessity. It's sleeping soundly at night, knowing you have a foundation under you that you built with your own two hands, one rep at a time. The journey to physical strength and the journey to financial wealth are one and the same. They are a testament to the power of small, consistent efforts compounding over time. It's not glamorous. It's not a quick fix. It is the quiet, daily, unsexy commitment to the process. But the results? The results are life-changing. The person you become in the gym, the one who pushes through pain, the one who shows up when they don't want to, the one who trusts the process. That is the exact same person who builds lasting wealth. So start today. Don't wait for motivation. Build a system. Start with one single rep. Your future self is counting on it.